Nomination Day in Jamaica's political landscape holds high significance as it is when political parties present their candidates for elections. It's a vital step in the democratic process, marking the commencement of the election journey. On this day, we see hundreds of candidates from parties like the Jamaica Labour Party and the People's National Party stepping forward, ready to represent their constituencies. From the early hours of the morning until mid-afternoon, designated centers across the country buzz with activity. Indeed, Nomination Day in Jamaica is a vital event, paving the way for the country's democratic process. The day kicks off with the nomination of candidates from 10 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon. This takes place at designated centers scattered across the 63 parliamentary constituencies. Each party is expected to put forward a full slate of 228 candidates. An intriguing part of the day is the direct election for the mayor of the municipality of Portmore. This sees incumbent mayor Leon Thomas of the PNP facing off against Markland Edwards of the JLP. There are also unique situations that add to the drama of the day. For instance, the candidate for the Little London division, Oliver Reed, was hospitalized but is expected to be discharged just in time for nomination. In addition, we have notable candidates such as Vanessa Phillips, who defected from the PNP to the JLP, and Romaine Morris, who took the opposite route, leaving the JLP for the PNP. Amid all this, the police are on high alert due to rising political tensions, and the Electoral Office of Jamaica, the EOJ, is fully prepared to receive nominations. The police maintain a watchful eye, ensuring peace amidst rising political tensions. The Electoral Office of Jamaica, a beacon of readiness, stands prepared to receive nominations. In essence, Nomination Day sets the stage for the democratic process, marking the beginning of an intense political journey.